Blood sugar levels, which is often called blood glucose level or blood sugar concentration, refers to the quantity of sugar, glucose, that people have in their blood. Glucose is obtained from the food people eat every day, and it is very useful as it is the source of energy. People would be weak and powerless if they lack of sugar in their blood. However, glucose concentration in blood should remain stable, because if it goes too high it will cause serious metabolic health problems which lead to diabetes. Luckily, healthy human body has a good homeostasis system which controls the blood sugar levels naturally, so it can stay in normal range. However, as modern people's lifestyle is changing dramatically in terms of unhealthy diet they follow, blood sugar levels also increases into a critical level. In addition to that, aging also deteriorates the functions of body organs, which worsens the metabolism process, making the blood sugar levels go higher and higher with age. What is the normal range of blood sugar levels? There are two different units to measure blood sugar levels, mol/L, millimoles per liter, and mg/dL, milligrams per deciliter. Molar concentration, mol/L, is used by the international standard, while the mass concentration, mg/dL, is used in the US. There are some different opinions about how much is the normal glucose concentration, but it has been agreed by the international consensus that normal blood sugar levels is around 4 to 6 mol/L, or, in most states in the US, is around 72 to 100 mg/dL. Nevertheless, it should be noted that normal blood sugar levels doesn't stay the same in 24 hours, let alone in longer time. It keeps fluctuating, and the most distinctive time to see the level of the blood sugar is in the morning, before the person takes the first meal. What is fasting blood sugar levels? The lowest level of blood sugar is usually detected in the morning, before the person ate or drunk, except plain water. This is what is referred to as fasting blood sugar levels. Before the body is supplied with any food containing glucose, fatty acids and amino acids, the level of the glucose will be very low, but it will slightly increase an hour or 2 hours after the first meal or the first sweet tea or coffee. During the fasting period, normal blood sugar level is supposed to stay between 72 and 100 mg/dL, or between 4 to 6 mol/L. If the glucose level is higher than that, there might be some metabolic problems such as insulin resistance or even diabetes. After the meal, the level will increase, but not too much. If it increases into a very high level, the person might have a diabetic problem. After the meal, people without diabetes should have the maximum blood sugar levels of 125 mg/dL. Blood sugar levels that indicates diabetes. There are two terms when describing blood sugar levels: hyperglycemia, high blood sugar levels, and hypoglycemia, low blood sugar levels. Hypoglycemia can trigger some health problems, but hyperglycemia is often considered more fatal as it is relatively harder to handle, and it leads to diabetes. When someone's blood sugar levels are higher than the normal range, he is likely to suffer diabetes. Someone is called pre-diabetic when his glucose level is from 6.0 to 6.9 mol/L or 108 to 126 mg/dL, while the diabetic person has higher glucose level than 6.9 mol/L or 126 mg/dL. Knowing what is blood sugar level, and what is its normal range can only help people to understand the risks of having diabetes, and how to avoid it. It is recommended to have a blood test at least once in a year so a high blood glucose concentration will be discovered in time.